Hey there, folks. Alright, just a quick unboxing here. What you got here? Alright, so, I think I mentioned, this year I kind of want to step up my game a little bit, on doing some videos. And so this is that, at least kind of the start of it. So let's see what we got here. So I was cruising around on YouTube. I was looking for it, some suggestions. What this is, a wireless lav mic, dual. It's the Hollyland Lark A1 microphone, and it's a USB-C, and so yeah, hopefully the audio level or audio quality will be better. I'm starting with the next video. Obviously I'm not using it this one because I just opened it. And then also we got had to get a new auto blade for my Cameo 4 vinyl cutter. These are pretty cool. It's an auto blade, so basically what that means is you just put it in there and it you put in your material that you're using, like the like the vinyl or whatever, and it automatically does the blade depth, which is pretty cool. Works well, eh? So yep, I'm gonna get that. So let's take a look at these guys here and see what it's about. Like I said, I was there's the Rode Go Pro 2s or whatever they are, but those are like $250, eh? Well, this guy here was only $35. This version was $35 on I get stuff like this from B&H Photo, and yeah, and save the tax because I got a BH credit card, and you have like two choices. Like if you spend so much, you get what is it? Well, you can either save the tax, so there's no tax, or you can get interest-free payments. But with something like this, it was only, this order was only, what, $50. So, yeah, here it is. It's pretty cool here. Let's see. You get a little bag to put that in. I like how, Apple kind of started with this packaging, but so what's in here? We got the wind guards. Let's see the quality in these guys here. All right. Anywho, USB-C charging cable, I reckon. Yep. So here we are. So these are real tiny lav mics, and this is the charging case, and there you go. And so how it attaches, it's magnetically attached, so that's kind of cool. Look at how small that is, eh? And yep, this part connects to your phone, plugs into your phone, and it's got two mics, so you can do like interview or something, or two people can use it. So that's pretty cool. Like I said, it was only like $35, which is a pretty darn good deal, eh? So we'll see. All the reviews and stuff I've seen, and the sound quality is pretty phenomenal for the price. Like I said, it's either this or that Rode. I was looking at the Rode Pros, but that's like $250, and yeah, I just need something a little bit improvement other than the, you know, the built-in mic on the iPhone. But yeah, I guess this goes on here. One of the things they said, this doesn't, it's kind of hard to snap that in, but I don't know. It popped right in for me. So that's, if you're outside or whatever, got your windsock there. So that's pretty cool. All right, well, like I said, we'll find out, see the quality in the next video, eh? All right, folks, guess that's it, eh? All right, until next time, remember, be kind.